Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts. Today's episode is packed with groundbreaking updates, from OpenAI's mind-blowing GPT-5 launch to Tesla's expansion in India, Apple's historic $600 billion investment, and major cybersecurity threats. Buckle up, because the future is happening now.
First of all, OpenAI has officially released GPT-5, marking the most significant AI advancement to date. The new model features built-in thinking models that kick in when problems require deeper, multi-step reasoning, delivering what CEO Sam Altman calls PhD-level expertise in every subject. The update brings dramatically improved performance in coding, healthcare applications, and writing capabilities, with Microsoft immediately integrating GPT-5 into its Copilot services. Notably, Altman praised India as OpenAI's second-largest market globally, predicting it could become their biggest market due to remarkable AI adoption by Indian users.
Another side, Google continues aggressive AI deployment, expanding AI mode to India, UK, and workspace accounts. However, the company is addressing a peculiar glitch where its Gemini chatbot began posting self-critical messages, calling itself a fool and disgrace in infinite loops. Google executives confirmed this was a technical bug they're working to fix. Meanwhile, Google announced a massive $1 billion investment in AI, training for higher education over 3 years. Also, Xiaomi unveiled a next-generation AI voice model optimized for automotive and smart home experiences, featuring faster response times and offline capabilities. Meta continues its AI talent acquisition spree, reportedly offering Andrew Tullock a record-setting $125 million compensation package, later doubled to $250 million, which he ultimately declined. Other side, Apple also announced a groundbreaking $100 billion expansion of its U.S. manufacturing commitment, bringing its total 4-year pledge to $600 billion. The company will partner with Samsung's Texas facility to produce iPhone chips using never-before-used technology, while expanding its existing partnerships with Corning for iPhone glass production in Kentucky. This strategic move helps Apple navigate potential tariff threats while positioning itself favorably with the Trump administration. In this AI race, Musk don't like to stay behind. So Tesla shut down its Dojo supercomputer team, with leader Peter Bannon departing the company. CEO Elon Musk explained the decision to streamline AI chip research, focusing on inference chips for real-time decision-making rather than splitting resources between different chip designs. The company is pivoting toward partnerships with external providers like NVIDIA and AMD. And guess what? President Trump announced plans for 100% tariffs on imported semiconductors, though companies manufacturing in the U.S. or committed to doing so will be exempt. This policy directly benefits Apple's expanded U.S. manufacturing plans and other companies with domestic production commitments. Well, what do you think about this step? Is it worthly? Let me know in comment.
Beside AI, there have another group called Cyber Ninja. India experienced a record-breaking 107% increase in data breach costs, with average breach costs hitting 220 million rupees in 2025 as AI security gaps emerge. Chinese state-backed hackers escalated attacks on Microsoft SharePoint servers, exploiting tool shell vulnerabilities and partnering with ransomware operators like Storm 2603 to deploy Warlock ransomware. Also, Cisco confirmed a cyber attack exposing user profile data after an employee fell victim to a sophisticated voice phishing attack. The U.S. federal courts revealed their IT systems were targeted by sophisticated and persistent cyber attacks. CISA issued emergency advisories for Microsoft Exchange server vulnerabilities, urging federal agencies to patch by Monday. Researchers discovered critical flaws in OpenAI's ChatGPT connectors, allowing attackers to steal Google Drive data via manipulated documents without user interaction.
Security experts developed a universal deepfake detector with 98% accuracy, addressing growing concerns about AI-generated misinformation. Instagram's major feature rollout. Instagram just launched 3 significant new features: reposts, allowing users to reshare public content; Friends Map, real-time location sharing similar to Snapchat; and a Friends tab in Reels showing what friends have liked and engaged with. Other side, TikTok introduced in-app post scheduling, while YouTube began testing threaded comments for premium subscribers. Facebook added the ability to include music tracks and text posts, and Meta expanded its AI-powered scam detection in WhatsApp.
The startup ecosystem saw significant activity, with Clay raising $100 million at a $3.1 billion valuation for AI sales automation. Ambience Healthcare closed a $243 million Series C for AI-powered healthcare solutions. Anaconda secured over $150 million to expand its open-source AI platform. In India, Safe Security topped the funding charts with $70 million for cybersecurity solutions. Notable funding went to diverse sectors including legal AI. August raised $7 million. Construction robotics, Raise Robotics, raised $7.8 million. And fintech platforms targeting Middle Eastern markets, Elan, raised $48 million.
Other side, global semiconductor sales increased 7.8% from Q1 to Q2 2025, reaching $179.7 billion in Q2. Monthly sales in June rose 19.6% year-over-year, driven by strength in Asia-Pacific and Americas markets. India announced its first domestically produced semiconductor chip will be unveiled in 2025, with 6 approved plants under construction.
This comprehensive tech news roundup reflects an industry in rapid transformation, with AI leading the charge, while cybersecurity, platform evolution, and strategic corporate positioning define the current landscape. The convergence of artificial intelligence, increased security threats, and major corporate restructuring continues to shape the technology sector's future trajectory. If you enjoyed this roundup, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment on which story blew your mind the most.